Welcome back to Book Summarics, the place where we break down thought-provoking books so you can absorb their wisdom without spending weeks reading them. Today we're diving into Unlocking the Power of Philosophy for Beginners by Ella R. Turner. Philosophy can often feel intimidating, filled with abstract theories and complex language that make it seem out of reach for the everyday person. But here's the truth. Philosophy is not just for academics or scholars. It's something we engage with every single day, whether we realize it or not. Every time we question what is right or wrong, challenge our own beliefs, or think critically about the world, we are engaging in philosophy. Ella R. Turner has written this book with one goal in mind: to make philosophy accessible and relevant to our daily lives. If you have ever wondered how ancient wisdom can help you think more clearly, make better decisions, and even find a greater sense of purpose, then this book is for you. Chapter 1. What is philosophy and why should you care? Before we explore the ideas in this book, let's first break down what philosophy really is. The word philosophy comes from the Greek words philo, meaning love, and sophia, meaning wisdom. So philosophy at its core is the love of wisdom. It is the study of fundamental questions about existence, knowledge, ethics, and reality. But it's not just about abstract debates in classrooms. It's about how we live our lives, how we think, and how we make decisions. Take, for example, ethical dilemmas. Should we always tell the truth, even if it might hurt someone? How do we determine what is fair and just? These are philosophical questions that influence everything from personal relationships to legal systems and social justice movements. In today's fast-paced world, where information is constantly thrown at us from social media, news outlets, and influencers, the ability to think critically has never been more important, and that's exactly where this book comes in. Chapter 2. The book's approach: Making Philosophy Simple and Practical. What makes this book stand out is its clarity. Unlike traditional philosophy books that can feel overly dense and academic, Turner presents philosophy in a way that is easy to understand, engaging, and immediately applicable. The book is structured into digestible sections, each focusing on a different aspect of philosophy. It covers everything from the ancient Greek thinkers to modern-day philosophical applications. She introduces big ideas but doesn't overwhelm the reader with complex jargon. One of the book's greatest strengths is how it connects philosophical concepts to real-life situations. This is not a book that just tells you about famous philosophers. It shows you how to use their ideas to improve your own life. Chapter 3. Key Takeaways from the Book 1. The Art of Asking Better Questions. Socrates, one of the greatest philosophers of all time, believed that wisdom was not about having all the answers. It was about asking the right questions. This book encourages us to challenge our assumptions and think more deeply about our choices. For example, instead of asking, "How can I be successful?" a better question might be, "What does success mean to me and why do I want it?" Asking better questions leads to better answers. It helps us clarify our values, make better decisions, and avoid blindly following societal norms without questioning if they truly align with our personal beliefs. 2. Critical thinking as a superpower. One of the most valuable lessons in this book is the importance of critical thinking. We live in an age where misinformation spreads rapidly. Social media algorithms feed us content based on our existing beliefs, making it easy to fall into echo chambers. This book teaches us how to spot logical fallacies and how to question information before accepting it as truth. For example, the straw man fallacy is a common tactic used in debates where someone misrepresents an argument to make it easier to attack. By recognizing these patterns, we can have more productive discussions and avoid being manipulated by misleading arguments. Turner emphasizes that developing a philosophical mindset means not just accepting things at face value, but analyzing them carefully before drawing conclusions. 3. Applying ancient wisdom to modern life. The final key takeaway from this book is how ancient wisdom remains deeply relevant to our lives today. Turner discusses how Stoicism, a philosophy from ancient Greece and Rome, can help us manage stress and develop emotional resilience. One of the core Stoic principles is focusing only on what we can control and letting go of what we cannot. Imagine applying this to everyday life, whether it's dealing with a difficult boss, handling rejection, or facing uncertainty. Instead of wasting energy worrying about things beyond our control, we can shift our focus to actions that truly make a difference. Turner also explores Aristotle's virtue ethics, which is all about developing good character traits like honesty, patience, and courage, so that we naturally make ethical decisions in our daily lives. These ancient ideas are not just theoretical concepts, they are practical tools for becoming better thinkers and better humans. Chapter 4. My Honest Review. Now that we've covered the main ideas, let's talk about my personal thoughts on this book. Would I recommend it? Absolutely. If you are new to philosophy and want a book that makes it easy to understand, this is one of the best starting points. It's clear, engaging, and packed with insights without feeling overwhelming. The biggest strength of this book is its accessibility. It takes what could be a difficult subject and makes it feel inviting. That being said, if you are someone who has already studied philosophy extensively, you might find it a bit basic. It is definitely aimed at beginners rather than advanced readers. Overall, I would give this book a solid 5 out of 5 for beginners and a 4 out of 5 for general readers. Now, I want to hear from you. Have you ever read a philosophy book before? Do you have a favorite philosophical idea or thinker? Let's start a conversation in the comments below. And if you found this summary helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest book summaries. Thanks for watching, and remember, keep questioning, keep thinking, and keep growing. See you in the next video.